This girl whipped off 1.3 billion of a Snapchat's market cap with this one single tweet. You guys, I'm here to further your income and impact on social media with Instagram and YouTube. And today I want to talk about this one huge topic, and this just shows the power of personal branding and influencers out there. So as you can see on the screen, this shit actually happened, and it happened in one tweet. And this is a pretty huge influencer, and her name is Kylie Jenner. So does anyone else not open Snapchat anymore, or is it just me? It's so sad. With this one tweet, she whipped out $1.3 billion off of Snapchat's market cap. 1.3 billion! The Snapchat update, you all guys know it fucked everything up. This one tweet just eliminated Snapchat. Snapchat is in a really hard position. They're probably gonna die. One tweet from an influencer can change anything. And brands see this. Brands see that. Her one tweet killed pretty much everything. And this makes brands want to go into this even more. This means more brands are gonna do sponsored posts. They're gonna go more into micro influencers, basically guys under 100,000 followers. Like, fuck, you can have 10,000 followers and be super tight connected with your audience like I am. And you can make $10,000 a month like I'm doing. Like, seriously, hop into the big market that is influencers. Hop into personal branding. Like, with a personal brand, guys, you can just share your own story. You can just vlog what do you do throughout the day, earn money, like doing that. Like, for example, start doing it for your passion. Like, for example, for me, it was fitness. You can start doing that. Like, get your fucking phone out right now. Get your fucking phone out. Create an Instagram account. Create an Instagram in every account that's out there for your personal brand. Start taking interesting content, and like, guys, this is a great side hustle you can do. Even if you have a business or you're an employee, you can just share your journey. You can share your knowledge. You have knowledge up here. I don't care what the fuck you do. You have knowledge that some people are willing to even pay for, right? You just need a personal brand to do that. And guys, if you want to build a successful personal brand, guys, please subscribe down below and check out my other videos. I have videos ranging from how I grew my new Instagram page to 1,200 followers in under a month. I have a lot of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and a lot of fucking stuff. So guys, check out other videos. They're gonna help you out a lot on building a personal brand, a successful one, and maybe even going to the level of Kylie Jenner and being able to whip out an entire platform with fucking a sentence. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos. #ThePlug. Peace.